Hi, this is Matt Grell, Patent and Trademark Attorney. I have a new Thanksgiving tradition I want to introduce you to, and that is Thanksgiving Sushi. We're going to take your leftovers from your Thanksgiving meal, and we're going to turn it into sushi. In addition, there's going to be a poll here attached, and we're going to try and decide what's the best trademark for this. So let's get started. Thanksgiving Sushi. Here we go. All right, the first step is we need to get our leftovers. So we have mashed potatoes, stuffing, ham, and turkey here. So first we're going to kind of cut these up and assemble them, get them ready for sushi. So first I'm going to start with the mashed potatoes. I'm going to take a scoop of the mashed potatoes here, and I'm going to form it into a little sushi looking configuration. There we have that, and so we're going to make several of those, and then I'm going to cut, let's see here, we're going to cut up some turkey as well, get that into bite-sized, sushi-sized pieces. So there we have 3 of those, and as well we could use the ham. Now, next up is we got to get some stuffing. So let's break this apart and get this into some sushi stackable sized pieces, and then we're ready to go. We can start assembly after this. All right, there we go. We got some mashed potatoes, turkey, ham, stuffing, and we're going to assemble those and make our sushi. Here we go. Okay, now we're going to assemble the sushi, turkey sushi that is. We're going to start with the meat, mashed potatoes, and then we're going to put stuffing, and then we're going to assemble it here on the board, and then we're going to heat that up. We're going to microwave it. So let's get started. Okay, I heated up the sushi stacks here in the microwave, get them nice piping hot. Next step is I'm going to add cranberry to the top. So here we have cranberry in a can, and I'm going to just peel off a little bit for each one and place it right on top. There's one, next one's up. Here's one here. All right, there's 2. And thirdly, we're gonna put one more on here. That's starting to look pretty good, isn't it? All right, there we have cranberry added to it. Next, I'm gonna heat up some gravy and we're ready to try our sushi. All right, Thanksgiving sushi, here it is. It's piping hot, our gravy's piping hot. It's time for a taste test. Bite size. Thanksgiving sushi. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. Okay, now that we've had our Thanksgiving sushi, remember there's a poll here attached. I'm looking for you to vote on which trademark you think best identifies this Thanksgiving sushi. I look forward to your feedback. And if you have an invention or a trademark, please give us a call. Grell and Watson, 678-202-5990. Thank you.